Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, it's back. We're going to play another edition of What's in the Box. That's right, folks. If you can guess what's in the box, what's in this box right here, you will win yourself some constitutional silver. And we'll go over that in a minute. So stay tuned as we find out what's in the box. Alright, so a lot of you have played this with me before, and you have to guess what's in this box. And I will probably give you some clues and so we can get started, because obviously it could be anything from anywhere. But, surprisingly, I get some criticism playing this game because people are like, oh, it's too hard, there's no way I can guess. It's ridiculous that you would even do something like this. Well, folks, I'm trying to have fun. Let's have fun, engage. It's supposed to be a little challenging. I'm giving away free silver. This silver costs me money. It costs me money to send it to you. So, I'm just trying to have you do a little bit on your side too. So let's not make a hard time out of it. Let's not make a big deal out of it. Let's have fun with it. It's supposed to be fun. I know it could be anything, but as everybody guesses, we narrow it down and I give clues, and as most of you know, it hasn't taken very long before somebody guesses it because I give clues. So I don't want it to be a negative thing. I want it to be a positive thing. So let's have fun with it. And so let me see. What's going to be my first clue today? I'm going to say for the first clue, let's say it's one item. There's one item in here. That's all I'm going to tell you for now. I know it's not much, but you guys who have watched my videos in the past kind of know my likes and my dislikes. So I think with the dislikes, you can probably, not guess a few things. But it is something that, okay, so I guess this would be clue number 2, but it is something that I do like to buy. So why don't you go ahead and start the guessing, and I'll let it go for a day or two, and then I'll throw another clue out there. So here is what you're going to win if you guess what's in the box. This is version number 6, I believe. This is the 6th time I've done this. So giving away well over an ounce of silver playing what's in the box. So here we go. Here is what you're going to win. You're going to win a matching, let me zoom in here. Let me zoom in. A matching 1964 Washington and a 1964 Roosevelt dime. Maybe I could get them off that little, make them look a little bit better down here. There we go. So yeah, very cool. Looks like Roosevelt's got something on his neck there, but that's okay. That's how constitutional silver is. Stuff's in pretty good shape. 64s usually don't have much circulation at all on them. You can see here, these have been through some circulation, but not much. They're in great shape. So if you can guess what's in the box, you will win. And those of you who do not know, this works out to a quarter ounce of silver. A quarter and a dime is 35 cents in face value, and that is exactly 1/4 ounce. And as most of you know, $1.40 in face value of 90%, $1.40 equals 1 ounce of silver. So if you divide $1.40 by 4, you get 35 cents, and that makes this a 1/4 ounce. So yeah, so let's get started. Let's get guessing, and let me know what you think is in the box. Thank you for playing along. Hang in there, keep it guessing, and I will check in with you later. Take care, everyone.